This is the chart of the bank Nifty, right? We'll do the analysis for tomorrow, that is 19, that's expiry of the second last week of the month, right? So market looks so pretty, confusing at this moment after making this huge rally in this, especially in the Nifty if you look at. So we'll try to analyze the market first, bank Nifty only, right? That means Nifty we are going to analyze that, and here we're trying to figure it out what kind of movement it is going to make and continuous today. So if you see here, this is the daily chart of the Nifty, how fast are the figures after getting this breakout, it is making higher high and lower low. That is the pattern is following. So now interesting part is that how long it is going to stretch upper side, right? So most of us are looking for this point at least to retrace, which is possible, but I don't think that is going to happen in immediate case, but anytime it can happen, that also is there. So we need to be very cautious about this point, right? So sometime we may make a very huge big red candle also, that also possibly is there. So tomorrow is expiry, so we'll see the global clues are not really in favor of the market, but let's see how does it react. So my strategy for the tomorrow will be sell on rise strategy will be there. So if market opens up gap down, that means it really faces a huge resistance on the upper side. It may not happen as today happened, right? So in order to understand that what actually happened today, we'll see in the 15 minutes of time frame, right? So this is the chart of the Nifty here. So this was right, if you see here is the 17, right? Market opened gap down, but it really made a very significant bullish candle in the first candle itself, and it went on a sideways type of zone, and it really did not break this candle first 15 minutes candle till this point. You can imagine that means second half. So it was very confusing at one range. So but the interesting part, we were supposed to figure it out. I have always been saying this was the support zone for the bank for the Nifty, right? So exactly it came near to this place, and from here it reversed back like anything, right? So this was the persistency and consistency in the Nifty that we are seeing for the last few days. So what will be there for the next tomorrow? So tomorrow my trading setup there, I will be looking at this zone to retrace back, and from here if again reverse back, then I will go long. But if it breaks this one, that means 16,509, let us take 16,000 drawn figure 500, right? So this zone is a very crucial point for tomorrow. Breaking down of this and sustaining below this for the 5 to 15 minutes is it may take further to the downside only. So this will be the analysis for the Nifty. That means sell on rise, because it has really stretched so much. What should we do, or should we be doing in the bank Nifty? Bank Nifty is something like since long the people are waiting here that what actually bank Nifty is doing, because Nifty is making every day new high, but bank Nifty really has underperformed for the last many months if you look at this side. So if you look at here bank Nifty chart, it is playing in the range bound, right? In one particular range it has already got stuck. The interesting part here, that means this is the part 36,300, and this side below you can see 35,500 to 600. This is the zone. So tomorrow significantly we are going to breaking down of this low tomorrow, that means 35,611. even if it is trading around this, I will be aggressively looking for the downside to fall. So I may take the trade, and my target will be here. This will be the target 35,300. That can also be possible tomorrow if it is opening up gap down, and if it opens gap up, I will be a little cautious about this bank Nifty, because it may rally, because there is a chances that it may go on the higher side also. So we need to understand in a small time frame, in the 5 minutes of time frame, let us understand what happened actually. Nifty, bank Nifty, right? Very sharp fall, it continued till here. So generally what happens, whenever there is a sharp fall, this will go little retracement, then after again if the price action is lowering down, you should be able to take the fresh call here. That is the analysis for the bank Nifty as well. Okay.